Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to cook steak in the oven. Oven-baked steak is just as lovely as grilled steak. Plus, if you hate the grime from coal, you can eliminate it altogether. So, let's get to work. What you need: steak 1 to 1.5 inch even thickness, medium to medium well marbled. Kosher salt. Black pepper. Thyme. Olive oil. Minced garlic. Now, if your steak is frozen, allow it to defrost. Then remove surplus fat, because they can spark a fire in the oven. Season steak to your taste. Allow the seasoning to sit in before you begin the broiling process. Slit the steak at some edges to prevent it from crimping from the heat. Next, place the oven rack right after the broiler coils and set the oven to heat up for 5 minutes. Then cover a near flat baking plate with foil and put a flat rack on it. Don't use a glass baking dish for broiling. It'll break from the heat. Put the seasoned steaks on the baking plate and place it on the oven rack, about 5 inches away from the hot coils. Keep a close watch on the steak. It needs high heat to cook. When the top layer turns brown, bring out the baking plate and turn up the uncooked part of the steak. Watch for when it browns. Use your instant read thermometer to check for doneness. Slide probe from the side to the center. If the steak is not yet done, turn down the temperature of the oven and allow it to roast gently until it's done to your taste. When the steak is done, bring it out and leave for 10 minutes to cool. That's it. Your steak is ready. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Also, drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Finally, don't forget to check the description below for more details. Visit our site zimovens.com for more awesome oven-baked recipes like this.